It's part B. There are three types of tickets: economy, business, and first class. The price of these tickets is in the ratio economy ratio business ratio first class is 2 ratio 5 ratio 9. Part first is the price of a business ticket is $2,350. Calculate the price of a first class ticket. To calculate price of a first class ticket, first we will calculate total price of these tickets, and ratio for business ticket is 5 over sum of ratio 2 plus 5 plus 9. Let's say the total price is X and the price of a business ticket is 2,350. From this, X will be equal to 2,350 times sum of ratio is 2 plus 5 plus 9 is 16 over 5. 2,350 multiplied by 16 over 5 is 7,520. Now price of a first class ticket. Ratio for first class is 9 over sum of ratio, which is 16 of 7,520. 9 over 16 of 7,520 is 4,230. So price of a first class ticket is $4,230. It's part 2. Work out the price of an economy ticket as a percentage of the price of a first class ticket. Ratio for economy ticket is 2 over 16 of total price is 7,520. 2 over 16 of 7,520 is 940. So 940 over price of a first class ticket is 4,230 multiplied by 100. This will be the price of an economy ticket as a percentage of the price of a first class ticket. 940 over 4,230 multiplied by 100 is 22.2. It's part C. The price of a business ticket for the same journey with another airline is $2,240. Part first. The price of a first class ticket is 70% more than a business ticket. Calculate the price of this first class ticket. Price of first class ticket is 70% more than a business ticket. So 1 plus 70%, and price of a business ticket is 2,240. 1 plus 70 over 100 of 2,240 is 3,808. 3808. It's part 2. The price of a business ticket is 180% more than an economy ticket. Calculate the price of this economy ticket. Price of a business ticket is 180% more than an economy ticket. 1 plus 180%. Let's say economy ticket is of X dollar. Then price of a business ticket is $2,240. $2,240. From this, X is equal to 2,240 over 1 plus 180 over 100. One plus 180 over 100 is 800. So price of this economy ticket is $800.